Welcome back to the channel, M-Cube Network, the Will Hemi Show. This is a short video. I just wanted to kind of pat myself on the back. It seems to be coming out now that California is suffering from not getting as much gas tax money as it used to get. California is in a world of shit right now. They are missing $24 billion that Governor Newsom cannot account for, that was supposed to go to help the homeless. And that money is just gone. They found that out by doing an audit recently. So he's trying to deal with that and try not to look bad. But California is in got a $42 billion budget deficit. California cannot print money like DC can to cover that deficit by inflating the dollar. California can't do that. California has to bite the bullet and find money somewhere. And where does the Democrat go to find money? Your pocketbook. So they will be there's a pilot program now where a few people have signed up, idiots, signed up to be taxed per mile, because elite EVs, that they're trying to go all EVs, so they got a plan for this. Once everybody's driving an EV in California, which will never happen, they're not going to get any gas tax money anymore. Gas stations are going to be gone. All that tax money that they get on the daily when you fill up your tank in like 2 or 3 minutes, because that's all it takes with a car. When you fill up your tank, they're not getting that money anymore. When everybody's on EV, you'll be at the charging station for an hour, waiting in line, and not spending tax money until they decide to tax your charge, which, I mean, they're gonna have to do something like that. But anyway, they're trying to charge you per mile that you drive. I warned you about this. In Europe, they're already doing it, and California wants to. They're in a green race here. Europe, California. We're net zero. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway. In Europe, they charge congestion pricing in the city. You pay extra money to the government on top of your already confiscatory tax rates in Europe, especially in the UK, right? Yeah, they got free healthcare. No, it ain't free. You paid for it with that tax money you did not take home. That's how you paid for your free healthcare that you have to wait a year to get any kind of special procedure. But I digress. The time is coming in California where you will be tracked for every mile you drive and charged for every mile you drive. Matter of fact, Texas did it too. Texas has started a program now where they're adding an extra amount onto the registration for electric vehicles. And in California, the registration is also higher because those things are so damn heavy. So anyway, the time is coming where you're going to be tracked and you're going to be taxed extra. And how are they going to do it? With those license plates, I'm telling you, mark my words. Those license plates, those little digital fancy little license plates, they are GPS tracked. They are in constant communication with Sacramento. You cannot take it off your car. It knows when it's being taken off the car and left at home so you can drive around free. No. The days of driving free will soon be over in California. Just get ready. If you're going to hang around in California, get ready. Driving will become a thing that only rich people and government people will be able to do at some point, if they're allowed. But by the grace of God, if they're allowed to turn this state into that kind of mess, that's what you're going to be looking for. That's what you're going to be dealing with. So I say get out now. Let California have itself. Come back and visit. Go to the beach. Go to the theater. Go to the club. Go to the mountains and get the hell back home. Go to a free state, because California is going away. And I will be punching a Hemi out of here real soon.